Okay everyone, so well, right now it's break and I'm going to this one Maqah, a traditional coffee shop here in Saudi Arabia, to have a cup of tea, some karak chai. They also have other stuff as well. You can take the black tea, red tea. You can also have the traditional Saudi gahwa. But for now, I feel like I need a karak. So that's where I'm headed. How's your day going? How have all of you been? And let me know if you are liking these POV drives with this Insta360 Go 3S. Check out this house. They have a lot of trees inside. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, no one is blocking the road from there, so we can take a right turn. The speed limit on this road is 80, and they have also kept these cameras that catch the violations. There's one. By the way, the place is Sharafiyah here in Riyadh. When Maqah Gidami show up. Okay, so let's find a parking now. We find one. No, there's none over here. Okay, this guy found a parking. Lucky him and lucky us. Here we go. So I'll see you in the Maqah. So here we go. Here we are at the Maqah, and let's order something. Assalamualaikum. Check this out. All this amazing stuff, and actually the fragrance is also good. كيف الحال؟ كيف يومك؟ هو شاي كرك لكن بس كوب واحد كب. في مكان؟ كان لازم واحد برا. اوكي بس اوكي سفري واحد كب مدلة سكر وسط. So you see, this is the POV here with this camera Insta360 Go 3S. Check this out. Our tea is being made right now. Talha.
ديجي هو مصري ويوسف ما أزرع جزء شغله طلع على المحل مليان جزيرة هذا مويه
Here we have our tea ready, and now I will leave from here. Gonna go back to work. Oh goodness, this is hot. And it's also hot outside, but actually I really needed it. So well, the Maqah was full, so I got the tea, and now I'm in my car. Gonna sip this beautiful correct tea, and then I'm gonna go back to work.